Well, good morning. It's Jeff Veley. You're joining me live on tour today. I am in Michigan, which is my home state. Really excited to reach some middle school students in just a couple minutes. And guess, in fact, they're introducing me right now. So here we go.
What's up, y'all? Make some noise in the building!
I believe that I have the greatest job in the world. I get to travel across America and teach students not only how to stop bullying, but how to become emotionally resilient. Today I'm taking you behind the scenes so you can see what a typical day looks like on the road. Well, today's a pretty busy day. We've got 6 presentations for students packed in, plus an evening night planned for parents. We're just getting started. Next, I get to share some more magic, another message, and also a funny story about how someone in my family used to handle bullying.
Then my grandma walked down the hill like she owned the place. Bonk, bonk, bonk. I knew these kids were in trouble when I heard her say, "Oh, excuse me."
Well, I love teaching. Honestly, my favorite moment is connecting with students after the presentations. Their stories inspire me as they learn how to be resilient in their own lives.
And just seeing you be so resilient to your life forever.
That's really cool, man. I'm glad to hear that. That's why I do this, you know? So I know how it feels to be on the receiving end of it. It's not fun, so.
Yeah.
That's good. Well, I'm so glad. It was good to meet you today, buddy. Take care. I hope the rest of the message today encourages you. All right.
You can't control other people's actions, but you can control your reaction. Spread some love to someone that really doesn't deserve it because it'll make you stronger. I love y'all. God bless you. Peace.
I believe that we often find our potential in a moment of pain. You know that moment when you think that you just can't take anything else? Well, when you're resilient, it works like magic. You can get through things that you never thought possible. I love illustrating this with a needle in a balloon.
Watch closely. You see, often we don't realize how strong we are on the inside until something really tests us. A lot of times we have to go through something difficult to realize how strong we are. This is my something difficult. You see, there's an amazing thing. When you're strong on the where? When you're strong on the inside, you can do amazing things. When you're strong on the inside, those words that would normally pierce your heart, they can pass right through without pain. When you're strong on the inside, all of a sudden the impossible becomes possible. Thank you.
As I look out over each audience of students, I try to picture myself sitting in their seat. As a kid, all I wanted was an adult to teach me how to stop people from being mean. So that's the exact message that I give.
Hey, hi, girlie. Hello,